Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to deploy apps purchased in volume to supervised devices in Jamf School. Before we begin, be sure that your Jamf School instance is integrated with Apple's volume purchasing program. If you have questions, be sure to check out the link in the resources titled Volume Purchasing Integration. We also need to make sure that licenses have been purchased for the app being distributed, even if it's a free app. For this example, I'm using the Jamf Assessment app. There are a couple different methods we can use to distribute an app. Assign it to a single device, or assign it to a device group. Let's start by assigning the app to a single device. Navigate to Devices, Inventory, and then select the device that should receive the app. Click Managed Apps on the left, and then click Add Apps. Find the app in the list and click Add next to the app. Click Close, and that's it. The app will be installed on the target device once it checks in with Jamf School. Assigning an app to a single device might work well for a one-off situation, but often we need to distribute an app to a group of devices. In the sidebar, navigate to Apps, Inventory. Here we find a list of apps that I have in my Jamf School instance. Let's find the Jamf Assessment app and select the checkbox next to it. Once selected, various actions appear at the top. To distribute this app to a group, click Edit Scope. In the Scope field, we have the option to add this app to one or more device groups. Previously, I created a device group for student iPads, so I'm selecting this group. Beneath the Scope field, we have the option to add the selected groups to the current scope or replace the existing scope. Since this is the first time I'm distributing this app, I'm leaving the default option selected and adding it to the current scope. Next, we have the option to automatically install this app or let users install the app themselves. As this is a required app for our school, I'm keeping Automatic Installation selected. Finally, under Volume Assignment method, we have the option to assign the purchased licenses to the device or the user. Since our devices are shared, I'm assigning the licenses to the devices, not the individual users. Once the scope has been configured, click Save, and that's it. The app will be installed on devices that are a member of the group once they check in with Jamf School. Thanks for watching.